Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade Elmo sugar cookies. So keep watching, and I'll show you step by step how to make these. In a medium bowl, start with 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, dash of salt, and whisk. Now set this aside and we're going to come back to it later. In a large bowl, we're going to put 1 cup of softened butter, 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Now cream this together. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg. And mix. Now we're going to slowly add in our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Do about half at a time. When your batter's all done, it should be kind of a dry, flaky batter, but when you squeeze it, it should come together like that. So we're just going to take a handful, ball it up like you would a meatball. Roll it out. Put it on your baking sheet and gently press down. Try to make them all around the same size so they cook evenly. Now bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, it took about 12 minutes for them to bake completely, so now just let them cool. While we're waiting for our cookies to cool down, we're going to make the frosting. I'm just doing a simple buttercream frosting. Start with a large bowl. Inside this I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of butter softened at room temperature, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We just want to cream this about 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to add about 4 or 5 cups of powdered sugar, but we're only going to add 1 cup at a time. And mix. Now we're going to divide this up into 4 different colors. The first one's white, so we don't need anything with that. Just take some, put it on there. This is going to be for his eyeballs. Then we're going to need some black. We don't need very much of this. This is just for the pupils of the eyeballs. I think that's good. Next color is orange. This is going to be for his nose. Again, we don't need a whole lot. So now we're just dropping in some black food coloring. We're going to start with that one. It's also the hardest one to get to the color you want because black turns gray. Now what we're going to do is put these into piping bags just to make things easier. Now for the red, we're going to put a special tip on there. Once our cookies have cooled down completely, we're going to start decorating it. But before we do that, I have all my frosting in piping bags. This particular one has a special nozzle on it, a special tip. It is the Wilton 233 tip. And what that is, it looks like grass or fur. And in this case, we're looking at like fur. And that's what it's commonly referred to as. And that we're going to do, and we're going to pipe it a special way to make it really look like fur. As you see, when I push this out, it starts coming out like that. So we just want to pipe and pull up. There we go. And there you go. That is our red part done. I know it looks pink, but that's okay. It's red, trust me. Now what we got to do is the eyeballs and the nose. The eyeballs kind of stay up near the top more. So we're going to start with our white. And we're just going to pipe out kind of a big eyeball. That's good. Another one kind of close together. And the orange is his nose. That's going to be quite large too, but we're just going to keep it right there. And then the eyeballs. Let's also do the mouth, and we'll make it so that Elmo has a nice wide mouth. There we go. Does he look good with the mouth or without? Now it's time for the taste test. I put a tiny spoon in this Elmo's mouth, so I'm definitely going to eat that one. And here we go. Delicious. The cookies are still a little warm, which is great. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Elmo cookies. It was a lot of fun making these. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, you get new videos all the time. Make sure you write in the comments below. Tell me whether you like the Elmo with the mouth or without. And until then, I'll see you next time. Homemade edible, commonly conferred to, you like the one, hey everyone, oh no, what am I doing? And with Elmo's mouth in it, no, I can't talk. All the time, write a comment. That's what I'm trying to say, write a comment. If you enjoyed that video, hit that video, this video.